Hey everyone, welcome back to, let me show you, ELA Distance Learning, Unit 5, Week 2, Compare and Contrast. Now, we've already done this through thick and thin with people at the soup kitchen. And then our essential question is, how do shared experiences help people to adapt to change? Perhaps sharing the experience with others made it easier to handle. And I didn't have I didn't have audio, I realized, because if you're charging your iPad, you cannot screenshot with audio. So another lesson learned. Here's your vocabulary. The word assume, guarantee, nominate, obviously, rely, supportive, sympathy, weakling. And then we went through all the examples of assume, define, with a picture. And even though if you didn't have audio, you can still read and see the pictures. All of our words. Obviously, rely. He relies on his teammates and his coaches. Supportive. Sympathy. This is just review, so I'm not going into it deep. Weakling. Okay. Then I did this with no audio as well. Why is being supportive a good quality in a friend? And I said, remember, well, you didn't get to hear this, but I said we always want to make complete sentences. So every time we restate the question, we need to, or we answer the question, we need to restate the question in our answer. So why is being supportive a good quality in a friend? Being supportive is a good quality in a friend. So I restated, and then I gave my input. And I'm not going to go over this because that was in my last YouTube video. But each sentence needs to start with restating the question to make a complete sentence. So right now we're going to go on to spelling. So here's what I want you to do. Get a piece of paper, press pause, number your paper 1 through 20, and then come back. Once you've done that, you can unpause it and we'll begin. If I go too fast, you can certainly pause it as you're trying to write. So make sure you number everything to 20. Okay, number 1. The first word, and these are homophones. So I'm going to say 2 words. So number 1 and 2 are going to sound the same, but you're going to have to listen very carefully to my sentence because the sentence is going to tell you how to spell it, the way it should, what its meaning is, okay? So number 1. The orange tasted sweet. The orange tasted sweet. Number 2. Our hotel room was a suite. Both words are sweet. First one, an orange tasted sweet. Number 2, our hotel room was a suite. Number 3, pray. We decided to pray for rain. Pray. Number 4, the badger, it's pray again, sorry, pray. I'm recording. The badger let his prey escape. Pray. Number 5, poll. I took a poll of student opinions. Poll. Number 6, pole. The flag hung on a pole. Number 7, waste. Let's not waste any time. Number 8, waist. These slacks are too tight around the waist. Number 9, manner. The manor house was grand, big, grand. Number 10, Jay's manner of speaking is formal, manner. Remember, if I'm going too fast, you pause as much as you need, okay? Number 11, pier. The boat docked at the pier. Number 12, peer. Hector is my peer. Number 13, current. A current is a kind of berry, currant. Number 14, current. The current carried the boat, current. Number 15, presence. The presence of friends is comforting, presence. Number 16, Aunt Beth sends us presents. Number 17, council. The town council meets today. Number 18, counsel. Her counsel is fair and wise. 19, stationery. Mom writes letters on colorful stationery. Number 20, stationery. The guard was stationary. Okay, go ahead and press pause and rewind if you have to go back because it was you needed to do some of the words that you skipped to listen to. That's fine. It's just I'm on a timeline here. I can only record for like 15 minutes at a time. So if I'm going fast on the spelling, that's why. So go ahead and unpause when you're ready to come back and check your work. The first one was sweet. The orange tasted sweet. When something tastes sweet, this is the type of sweet. Number 2, our hotel room was a suite. Those are the big rooms in the hotels. And that is this kind of suite. Number 3, we decided to pray for rain. When you're praying for rain, when you pray, is that type of pray. The badger let his prey escape. Now that's like when something's hunting something to eat him. Pray. Number 5, poll. I took a poll of student opinions. That type of poll is P-O-L-L. Number 6, the flag hung on a pole. The flag is on this kind of a pole. Number 7, waste. Let's not waste any time. That's the kind of waste. But when you're talking about your pants around your waist, it's W-A-I-S-T. Number 9, manor. The house was a great big manor. That's M-A-N-O-R. Now, when you have manners and speaking formal and saying yes, please, thank you, it's this kind of manner. Number 11, pier. The boat docked at the pier. If you've been to San Francisco to like Pier 39, you've seen that spelling that way. But when you talk about other classmates or students as your peer, Hector is my peer, is with 2 E's. 13, current is a kind of berry. That's spelled like this, current. And then a current like in a river is spelled like this with an E-N-T. And then number 15 is presence. The presence of friends is comforting. It's P-R-E-S-E-N-C-E. But then if you're opening presents at Christmas time, or if your aunt sends you presents, it's P-R-E-S-E-N-T-S. 17, the town council meets today. Council. Her counsel is fair and wise. That's when someone gives you advice. Counsel. Mom writes letters on colorful stationery. Stationery is like those really pretty like letterheads and cards that you send out. That kind of stationery. E-R-Y. But the guard was stationary. That means held still. Stationary. Okay, good. So we're out of time right now. I'm going to have to upload this. And then when we come back, we will go on to reading the story and talking about the essential question. Okay, see you soon.